Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, we are going to discuss everything about Louis Vuitton's latest price increase. Yes guys, I know it is a shock and not so good news. Unfortunately, I cannot ignore this big news and I have to share it to our fam here. That is why guys, we are going to discuss a couple of things for today's episode. Number one is of course the euro price increase. So this is where it all began. So we are going to see what are the old prices and compare to the new prices, how much it increased, and we are going to discuss Louis Vuitton's classic bags. Then second topic is of course, since it hasn't happened globally yet here in Manila, I'm checking constantly, it's still the same. So we are going to have like a little prediction like what would happen once it reached globally. So we are going to discuss the US prices. So again, we are going to discuss the classic styles. We are going to check out their old prices and the new prices and what are the percentage it would increase. And last but not the least guys, I would also be sharing my thoughts. Would I still love Louis Vuitton? How do I feel about the price increase? So guys, we have a jam-packed and very meaty episode for today. So I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @premiere52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, the price increase is already confirmed and it happened in France. And what we are going to see here guys, you are going to be surprised because the prices increased from 3 to 7%. OMG! So this affected most of the bags. Good news is the ready-to-wear are not included yet, but rest assured guys, once I have new updates, I will be making a new episode or I will be posting it on my community post as well. So guys, let us start first with what are the styles of bag that increase. So let us start first with the canvas pieces. We have the Alma PM. So guys, hopefully you're not upset that I'm looking down because I have my notes here. So let's start first with the Alma PM. So guys, take note, this is an Alma PM, not the BB. So old price is 1,490 euros. New price is 1,550 euros with increase of 4%. Then we have the pochette accessoire. So guys, OMG. So this has the biggest price increase of 7%. Can you believe that? From 980 euro. Now the new price is 1,050 euro. Then we have of course the Speedy 25, the very beautiful Speedy 25. So old price is 1,130 euros. New price is 1,200 euro. It increased 6.2%. And last but not the least is we have the multi-pochette accessoire. Old price is 1,960 euro. New price is 2,050 euro with a 4.6% price increase. Then let's move on to the leather bags. First we have the Capucines BB. Old price is 5,150 euro. New price is 5,500 euro. It increased guys, wow, super big. That's 6.8%. That's almost as big as the pochette accessoire. 7%. Then we have the Cousin PM. Original price is 3,600 euro. The new price now is 3,700 euro. Price increase 2.7%. Then we have of course the well-beloved Petite Mau. Original price is 4,350 euro. New price now is 4,500 euro with price increase of 3.4%. Then last but not the least, we have the Twist MM. Original price is 3,600 euro. Now the new price is 3,700 euro with 4.4% price increase. What do you think guys of the new prices? Alright guys, for our next topic is I would like to share to you a little bit of prediction like what would be the newer price once the price increase hits globally. So Asia, Philippines, US, but we are going to focus more on the US market. So from the table that we have discussed earlier, I have taken prices of percentage of increase because of course we cannot do a direct conversion of the currency from euro to USD or from euro to Philippine pesos, because I'm sure everyone is already familiar that purchasing a bag from France, maybe Louis Vuitton or Chanel or Hermes, are much more cheaper compared to purchasing it, let's say, here in the Philippines or in the US. Again guys, this is just a prediction. This is not the final prices yet. I took the price increase percentage from the table that we have discussed earlier, and we are going to show now the newer prices. So let us begin. So let us start first in the canvas pieces. So let us start with the Alma PM. So in Vuitton.com US website, the old price is 1,960 USD. Now after the price increase, let's say the price increase hits globally, the new price can be 2,038 USD. Next, we have the pochette accessoire with a 7% price increase. The old price at LouisVuitton.com is 1,290 USD. Now the new price can be is 1,380 USD. That's additional of $90 at least. And then for the Speedy 25, old price is 1,490 US dollars. And then after the price increase of 6.2%, now we are looking at 1,582 USD at LouisVuitton.com. That's $92 price increase. And then we have the multi-pochette accessoire at Louis Vuitton website. The current price is 2,570 USD. Now the new price would be 2,688 USD, when we are looking at 118 US dollars additional from the old price. Then let's move on to the leather bags. Let us start with the Capucines BB. So at the website, US website price is now 6,900 USD. After a 6.8% price increase, the new price can be $7,369. That's, guys, 469 USD additional on top of the old price. Wow. Then we have the Cousin PM. Old price is 4,700 USD. After the 2.7% price increase, the new price would be 4,826. Price difference of 127 USD. And then we have the Petite Mall. So currently at LouisVuitton.com, price is 5,700 USD. After the 3.4% price increase, possible new price can be 5,893 USD, additional of 193 price difference from the old price. And last but not the least, with Twist MM, currently at LouisVuitton.com, old price is 5,000 USD. After the 4.4 price increase, the new price we can be looking at is now 5,220 USD. That is additional of 220 USD on top of the old price. Alright, so guys, how do I feel about Louis Vuitton's price increase? Am I mad? Am I upset? Am I shocked to learn about these new updates? Honestly, guys, shocked? No. Because I have been expecting that, every year there would always be a Louis Vuitton price increase. Actually, not just them, across, let's say, Chanel and Hermes, Dior, even Fendi, they do have their annual price increases. Maybe I just felt that I was already expecting about these price increases. Do I feel mad about the price increase? I'm not really sure if I feel mad. I would feel bad and mad if, for example, if let's say I have been dreaming of this bag. Like, I would just like to give you an example. So like, for example, here my Petite Sac, that this is my very first LV bag that I purchased directly from the store. Initially, when I saw this one in person at our LV boutique, the price is only around 69,000 Philippine pesos. And then I did not purchase it immediately. I told myself I need to wait it out first, like maybe check if this is the bag that I really wanted. But couple of weeks afterwards, I went to the Louis Vuitton flagship store because that's where my CA friend is working, and I told her that I'll be purchasing this one, and guess what? I was hit with the price increase. I purchased this one for 75,000 Philippine pesos. That's more than $100 price increase, guys. So if I would be experiencing the same thing, then definitely I would be mad about the situation because I could have saved a couple of thousands of pesos by purchasing earlier. So that is why, guys, maybe my recommendation to you, to everyone out there, if for example you are really eyeing a bag, whether it's a canvas or a leather bag, you have been putting it on your cart but you are not 100% sure yet if you would be purchasing this LV bag, I would say, guys, as long as you're happy with it, as long as you feel that maybe after 5 years, after 10 years, you would still be using this bag, I would say, guys, go purchase the bag of your dreams right now. Because, guys, of course, we can expect that this is not going to be the last LV price increase. For me, in my opinion, I would still be expecting that there would be an annual price increase from here and there. So if you have a bag of that you are eyeing for a while now, get it before the global prices hits. And then, of course, me personally, how this would affect me. Would I still love LV? Would I still be collecting Louis Vuitton bag? Honestly, I would still be collecting Louis Vuitton bags. I would just be more aware. Maybe the term is I would be more discerning of the choices of LV bags that I would be adding to my collection. I would not just be buying, like, for example, FOMO bags or maybe seasonal style. Me personally, because I'm on my stage of my bag collecting years where currently I wanted to collect more of the classic style. So that is why coming soon, I would be getting my very first Alma BB. And my recommendation, guys, if you are also wanting to start your Louis Vuitton collection, purchase them right away. Purchase the classics. We have the Alma BB, we have the Speedy bandoliers, we have the multi-pochette. Get them now, guys, because we don't know, like, if you're going to pass it now, 2 to 3 years from now, we cannot say like how much the price would increase. So, guys, I'm hoping that I was able to provide helpful information to our fam here. What do you think of the price increase? Are you guys upset? Please let me know and comment down below. So, guys, hope you enjoyed today's episode. But before we end, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Premiere52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you, guys, for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'll go to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!